Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the obvious but critical items. Make sure the outlet works and the PSU switch is on. This saves wasted troubleshooting time. Once done, unplug peripherals and open the case. You want clear access. Reseat the 24-pin ATX, CPU 8-pin, SATA, and GPU power connectors because loose cables often mimic dead systems. While the side is off, visually inspect capacitors and burn marks, and make sure the front panel power lead is firmly connected to the motherboard. Now you move into diagnostic procedures that pinpoint failures. Test the PSU rails with a meter or the paperclip method to confirm power delivery, because a weak PSU can spin no fans yet still fail. Next, remove all but one RAM stick and test each slot to rule out memory or slot faults. Then clear CMOS by removing the battery or using the jumper, and check for motherboard LEDs or beep codes. These give specific clues about CPU, RAM, or GPU errors, and guide the next steps. For final resolution, assemble a minimal system. CPU, one RAM stick, and onboard video only because this isolates peripherals that might short the board. If it still won't power, swap in a known good PSU and repeat. This often reveals a failing supply. Once you reach a consistent failure, document exact symptoms, beep patterns, and voltages. This speeds warranty claims or technician work. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes, try the unit on a different AC circuit or use a UPS.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.